Welcome to hand yoga. My name is Heidi Parkes and I do a lot of hand quilting and other types of art, and I am also a certified yoga therapist. I've found that a lot of the hand movements that I've learned in yoga and some other hand movements that I've learned from other sources have been very helpful for me in sustaining my creative practice. I teach hand yoga professionally, and I have wonderful stories from my students who are able to move again, who perhaps are aging and having trouble with the buttons on their blouse, and then after just a few sessions are finding that they have more dexterity. Therefore, it is a passion for me to share this with more people. I don't think it's very easy to find on the internet. And we are going to begin with a 30-day hand yoga challenge. We'll begin with just 5 minutes a day, and then there will be suggestions to pair certain 5-minute videos together so that you can have a longer experience. A lot of the hand yoga movements will circle around gentle movements for your hands, things that improve circulation, things that are massaging for your hands. So having a combination of those 3 types of sequences in a row for a 15-minute practice is something that we're going to work towards in this 30-day challenge. After that, I will be releasing a video once a week, and those weekly videos will be available for you as we continue throughout the year. So it is important that you know that while I'm a certified yoga therapist, I am not your certified yoga therapist. Yoga therapy is traditionally practiced one-on-one. In particular, if you are experiencing real pain in your hands, I am not your doctor. It is important that you consider seeing a doctor. I have consulted, of course, with my teachers in yoga therapy, and there have also been moments throughout my hand quilting commitment that I've seen an occupational therapist, and I have sought professional advice on how to best take care of my hands. And I had a thimble that wasn't right for me for a while, and I had some pretty intense nerve pain right here. Doing that would have been very unpleasant, and now it's fine. And I have many things like that to thank my occupational therapist for. So I suggest, especially if you are able to have health insurance and see an occupational therapist, that if you're having true pain, real problems, that you seek out professional advice. This can support that. You can tell your occupational therapist about these videos and that you'd like to try them. And you can also use these proactively if your hands feel good. The most important thing that I keep in mind when I'm practicing techniques in hand yoga is that I want to tune in and listen to my body and notice how I feel immediately after the movement, and also throughout the next day or two to see that ripple effect. So I encourage you, no matter how your hands feel, to pay attention in the moment and pay attention throughout the day to see how this affects you. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you with our hands. So be sure to use the link in the comments to see the sequence for the 30-day hand yoga challenge, and subscribe so that you get notifications for upcoming hand yoga videos.